Do you want to put music in Facebook profile? Facebook Add New feature let you add music to Facebook profile. Once the song or the music added, you can play it whenever you want and browse through your profile. In this video I will show you how to add or put music to Facebook profile easily. So, let us start. Open the Facebook app on your phone. You will be taken to the feed page directly upon login in. You need to click on the profile picture that you can see on the top right. Once you are there on your profile page, scroll down a bit, and you will see the Music tab. You need to tap on that. After you did that, you will be taken to the Song page. Click on the plus icon and search for the song that you would like to be added to your profile. Once you find the song, click on the Add option, and the song will be added. Now go back to Music page. Each song will have 3 dots. Click on that, and then you will see the option Pin to Profile. Click on that, and the song will be pinned to your profile. To check whether the music or song is pinned to your profile or not, visit your Facebook profile, and you will see it right below your profile picture. So, this is how to put song and music in Facebook profile. Try it out yourself and add your favorite songs to your Facebook profile to impress everyone. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then tap on the subscribe button and join us.